guys, what's up? It's your boy Daudi. This looks like a sunny day. I love the look very much. It's nice. So yeah, it's Thursday and I'm about to attend an exhibition just for friends. Today it's called mini art exhibition. Be taking place somewhere near me, so I said I have to lash there and give a support friend. So yeah, first thing I think we need to get prepared for this phase, you know what I mean? So let's get right into it and then yeah, see how the rest of the day goes. Yeah, so guys, I'm back. I see I'm freshen up, look good, yo. So let's get to head where the exhibition is taking place, and we see what's there. And yeah, that's all. And I don't know. I don't think. No, it's fine. So guys, but face, you need to know that this is like the face art vlog that I've done. You could check like my other tutorial videos, cause we have time-lapse videos of tips and steps of drawing. Also have art vlogs, and likely I'll also get some art talk. So guys, yeah, let's continue. Remember to subscribe. Let's get right to it. So guys, I'm heading there, and yeah, I guess things will go right. And so I'll try to call the guy when I'm somewhere near, and we'll see the thing is cancelled or still going on. So yeah, let's get there. Yo, here we go. Yo, so guys, I'm here with Kevin Joe. He's like one of the greatest artists in Zambia. So I'm going to put his link of Instagram in the description. Make sure you check it out. So we also have another big man here, Kangwa. What's up, bro?
Oh, hey, what's up?
All good, man. How is it?
Pushing.
Pushing, huh? Are you excited?
Very much.
Very, huh?
It's the first time having this kind of thing.
Oh yeah. This is great, man. Like guys, we are just packing up stuff. I just reached so airy. So bro, how about you, man? You're good, right? How are you excited as well? I can see the big man is busy. Yeah. Okay, so guys, we'll check in you like in the next minutes and stuff. Let's first pack up. So yeah, guys, I see still in the preparations and almost done. Still just do some cutaways to show you, and customers already coming. It's crazy, but yeah, it's going on. Musa, so you don't have to miss in this. Guys, this is Musa, one of the best artists here in Zambia. I'll also put his link of Instagram in my description, so check it out on him. So Musa, what's up, man? How do you see this, man? No, come on. That's not how you go, man. So he just wait, guys. So yeah, that's it. Let's just keep preparing, and when stuffs are done, I will show you some cutaways and stuff.
much response and feedbacks from people. So I think that is it for today. Okay, those guys like really had planned this very well, and they just graduated recently, so I just put their graduation picture somewhere here, and then we'll see. Got myself some new papers because I was running out of them. So sunny. I'm walking. My feet really feel very, very painful and hot, because taking public transport, it won't be like a good option, because it's not allowed to film while you're in a bus. So yeah, so guys, I think that is it for today, and subscribe, as I said. We have more vlogs coming on, and the next up video after this, it's a drawing tutorial. Subscribe and leave the bell icon on so that you get latest news and stuff about what I upload. So guys, ciao, till next time, stay blessed.